All right, today I have a 2019 Ford Fusion, and I am going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake, show you where the parking brake button is located in this vehicle. But before we get started, can you all go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Thanks a lot. All right, so I'm behind the steering wheel of the vehicle. What I'm going to do is I am going to make sure that the vehicle is in park, as you can see. I'm going to put my foot on the brake, and then I'm going to look towards the center right here. Do you see this right here? This is for the parking brake. My foot is on the brake. I'm going to take this and I am going to pull it up. And when I pull it up, hold it, it comes on right here. It says parking brake is on right there. The brake sign down there. All right, great. The parking brake is engaged. All right, now I am going to release it. Again, my vehicle is in park. All right, I have my vehicle in park. All right, I am going to go ahead and press the brake one more time, go over here towards the center. All right, and I am going to press this downwards and hold it. All right, press it down, hold it. The parking brake is now off. Did you see how that worked right there? Pretty cool. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.